Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a personal brand website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create a personal brand website, you must define your brand's message, choose a domain and a website builder as well. You need to develop a domain, a website builder. You need to simply develop content that showcase your skills and personality, and a strong website will be a digital home base that gives you control over your online identity. Unlike social media, you can have a lot of scope to customize it. So before you start building, clarify the purpose and direction of your personal brand. Define your purpose, identify your target audience, choose your technical foundations like choose your custom domain. You can simply select a website builder like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress as well and develop your content. You can develop a homepage, portfolio, about me pages, and different things. After this, you can add testimonials and design your website completely. So by doing this, you can simply develop and launch your website. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.